Hello everyone, Jeff Schwan with Schwan and Associates. The last video that I had was a quick introduction into Everlance and turning on auto detection so that every business trip that you take is automatically captured for tax purposes, making sure that you receive the max benefits. The one thing that we need to do now is make sure we turn on the deduction rate or enter your deduction rate. So let's do that. Let's open up the app Everlance, and in the menu you want to scroll down to the bottom and you'll see work settings or settings. And the first option there, profile. Here you can enter your information, and here you'll also find deduction rate. 55 cents is the current deduction rate for 2018 for the first 5,000 kilometers. Anything over 5,000 kilometers the deduction rate decreases to 49 cents. So right now, currently, I'm working with Everlance to have them add some kind of notification so that once you've hit over 5,000 kilometers, it will tell you need to go in and change that deduction rate. But for now, no such thing exists. So you just need to simply check your dashboard or your home there and just watch your mileage for the year. So this year, 395 kilometers I've driven for work. And so once that hits over 5,000, I'll go back to my profile and I will reduce my deduction rate to 49 cents. So with that being said, that's the end of this video. Please subscribe for more videos to come. Like the video and comment if you have any questions. Thanks.